Good morning, small world. It's 7 o'clock in the food forest, and the poppies, the wild poppies, are flowering, and they are full of bumblebees and hoverflies. So I wanted to show you the level of activity that's in these flowers. It just makes me so happy. So with a little patience, we might be able to see just how many, and maybe you can also hear it. So amazing. They've just been self-seeding in this spot, and I'm really grateful for that, so I've just let them. Why not? They're looking amazing in the morning light. Thanks for watching. See you later.